Welcome to Say Ease with Tech, your go-to hub for smart gear that makes life smoother. If you love your pets and love tech that works, you're in the right place. Still battling pet hair storms every time you groom your dog? What if you could groom and clean up at the same time? Introducing the ultimate all-in-one dog grooming kit with a 15,000 Pascal suction vacuum, a total game changer for pet parents. Whether you're dealing with long hair, short hair, or stubborn shedding, this kit removes 99% of pet hair effortlessly. We all love our pets, but the shedding? Not so much. Most grooming tools just trim and leave a hairy mess behind. This kit? It grooms, vacuums, and cleans all at once. No more fur-covered floors or clogged brushes. 15,000 PA suction power. Picks up 99% of pet hair while grooming. 5 professional grooming tools. Includes electric clippers, slicker brush, de-shedding tool, cleaning brush, and nozzle head. Low noise motor keeps even the most anxious dogs calm. Adjustable suction levels. Choose what works for your pet's comfort. Mess-free canister collection. Empty the dustbin with one click. Grooming time used to be stressful. Now, it's bonding time. Your dog stays calm, you stay clean, and your home, fur-free. This kit is perfect for pet owners of all breeds and sizes. Whether you're a first-time dog parent or a seasoned groomer, this tool makes grooming easy, fast, and professional. Use it to groom your dog, then switch heads to clean hair from your couch, carpet, or car seats. It's more than a grooming kit. It's a home cleaning helper too. Compared to traditional tools, this vacuum kit is quieter, cleaner, and more efficient. No more trips to the groomer or buying separate vacuums and clippers. Pros: powerful suction, complete grooming set, low noise, clean home. Cons: needs power outlet, may take 1 or 2 tries to get your pet used to it. Ready to groom smarter, not harder? Say goodbye to shedding stress and hello to a cleaner, happier home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more smart pet tech solutions.